All right, so dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys. We had a long trade here. From here, we have taken this at the market open. We have taken all this long trade here, and once the price hit to the profit target, we also have taken a counter short trade here. So we really enjoy all this, buy and sell trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze entries and exit and squeeze amazing profit. Hello traders, today is the first trading day of the week. What a blessing, beginning of the week. Most of my traders squeeze amazing profit today. Let me share with you guys how I help them through live intraday analysis to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we enjoy trading today. As always mentioned, guys, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, so look at the EURUSD. Let's see in 4-hour case at the beginning of the Asian session, and that's what explained my trader look for this breakout. As you can see at the market open, price broken this support level, and explain my trader just keep taking a pullback. More likely price might gonna break the false breakout, and let's see, and then reverse. But we really enjoy all this rally. Let me share with you guys how I analyze entries and exit and help my traders to keep banking and squeezing pippies. And that was a beautiful trade, guys. All right, so if you look at the market open at the Asian session, you can see here we have a lot of Asian session traders. So you can see here that was the pretty straightforward breakout trade here. As you can see here, as mentioned on the analysis, that was a pretty straightforward breakout. And after the breakout, you can see here another beautiful pullback. And a London morning session just before my analysis, I tell to my trader consider banking some pips and let's see if we can get another pullback. So once we bank some profit, we have, as mentioned here, look at this one. We have this breakout from here in 4-hour. So you can see here that 4-hour breakout is performed. After that, you can see here all pullbacks here. You can see here after this breakout, we have this pullback, we have this pullback, we have another pullback. We announce all these pullback. Explain my trader just keep taking banking a profit, and after banking some profit, as you can see here, that was the beautiful short trade bank. Amazing. As soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader look for another pullback. As you can see here, another analysis. As mentioned my trader, we only going to take a counter when the price is going to break recent high and retest. As mentioned in the analysis, look for another product. You can see here we have another beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the final target, which is the red fib channel, as you can see here, that was the beautiful, and that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So after banking some profit, once the price hit to the previous low level at this level, as you can see here, then want to explain to my trader now look for counter trade only if point of interest. That's why we train people, traders, and you can see if the price gonna break, then we're going to. Now if you look at here, we also have it here, low and high is developed, sort of like inverted head and shoulder pattern. We've taken this long trade here and squeeze only few pips because this is a counter trade. But after that, technically this trade came out of the break even, but we really enjoy all this rally. As you can see here, price came out of the break even, so we really enjoy, guys, all this really beautiful trade. Pound dollar cable, amazing trade here this morning. If you look at the 4-hour chart, as explained my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then keep taking a pullback short trade here. Look for this breakout. If the price gonna break, just keep taking a short trade here. So technically we're expecting the price should create a false breakout and then reverse, but we'll see tomorrow, guys. But we really enjoy this rally today. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in entries and exit in our intraday system. Our intraday system is amazing. It gives us a very beautiful entries and exit. Okay, so look at this one. All right, so at the Asian session, you can see here we had such a beautiful breakout short trade here. After the breakout, pullback. So you can see here this level, as mentioned in 4-hour, we have this breakout, and after the breakout, keep taking a pullback. So you can see here we have taken all these pullback here. We have this breakout, we have this pullback after banking some profit here. We have another beautiful, as you can see here. Even now, explain my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We're only going to take a counter long if the price gonna break any recent high. Otherwise, keep taking. You can say one pullback, second pullback, banking some profit. And once the price reverse again, that's what I'm saying, guys. We trading live and helping trader with the live market. Once the price reverse, some of the traders say, oh, now it's going to reverse. And I said, okay, I don't want to see any position, any trade trigger if the price going to be stay within this level. So we have a point of interest this level, we have a point of interest this level, this is the level. If the price gonna break, then we're going to take a trade. As you can see here, price nicely respected, and this trend, this what do you call it, this trend resistance line, price broken this level as mentioned here. Once the price broken, momentum still bearish, and explain my trader, just keep taking a look here. Price broken after the breakout, price develop another pullback. You can see here another pullback. Explain my trader, just enjoy this pullback, keep taking a pullbacks, banking some profit, and afterwards at the New York session again, you can see here, explain my trader, we're only going to take a long here if the price is going to break pre-recent high and retest. Otherwise, we're going to take a short trade if the price gonna break this recent low. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, that's what explained my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So after banking some profit, price reverse again. That's the psychology. Most of the traders that was thinking is going to reverse. So guys, we're going to trade what we see it. Again, as mentioned here, we are looking here this level if the price gonna break long. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this level, as you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit again red fib channel, enjoy some profit on pound dollar. So you can see, guys, how we really enjoyed all this, really how our intraday system helped us to squeeze amazing profit. All right, so dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys. We had a long trade here. From here we have taken this at the market open, we have taken all this long trade here, and once the price hit to the profit target, we also have taken a counter short trade here. So we really enjoy all this, buy and sell trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze entries and exit and squeeze amazing profit. All right, so if you look at the dollar CAD, if you look at the Asian session open, right? So this is the analysis. As you can see here, that was the beautiful breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Even the safest way for us to trade if the price break and retest. You can see here, price broken and retest. That was a beautiful long trade here. And at the new London morning session, again, as always mentioned to my trader, once the price broken major structure, look for another pullback. So I did this analysis instantly once we banked some profit, as you can see here. And once the price developed another pullback, momentum was bullish. We have a nice reversal in 4 hour, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, as you can see here in 4 hour, that's what explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see the price action. As always, as you can see here, the price reverse and explain, that's the point of interest. As you can see here, price nicely respected and then broken, but could not maintain this level and retest. And I said, look, if the price gonna break this, then we see continuation. And if the price respect and break this level, previous low, then taking a short trade here. You can see here, price nicely broken, hit to the 200 EMA. As soon as the price hit to the support level, and I said to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had an amazing long trade and short trade on dollar CAD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As you can see here, how we analyze market in 4 hour and how we analyze market in intraday and entry and exit, refine entries and exit, and banking pips every single day. So the most important and interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop, I can also help you to get funded. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.